Hello everyone, I'm Jay here at Pangyo Techno Valley. I'm joined for an interview with the CEO and founder of Mobilio, Jin Sik Lee. Jin Sik, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Please tell me about Mobilio.
Mobilio is a AI and robotics company specializing in quadruped robot and humanoid.
Okay.
So with this our service, our client increase efficiency and reduce risk.
Okay.
We provide is AI robot platform.
Awesome. So you're providing AI robot platform for robots and the oncoming or incoming humanoids as well, reducing risk, increasing efficiency, all about safety, right? Tell me a little bit about your solutions and your robot. Are you just doing software? Do you also do hardware?
Yes, the first time, so we have a technology, hardware and software and telecommunication and AI. We have a total solution.
Okay.
But now we are focused on AI.
Okay.
It's a physical AI. I want to make it more smarter, like a human and real dog. Yeah.
Very cool. So now moving from hardware and software to physical AI, giving robots and humanoids kind of a personality, a smarter presence. So before, I think you can control this as well, but you're saying that you're able to program this, or not even program, give it the AI capacity to learn and move on its own and act like a dog, for example, or perform certain tasks. Can you tell me this robot's name? What is the name of this robot?
It's a robot name is LITE 3.
LITE 3. Yeah. Okay. What does LITE 3 do? Tell me about what LITE 3 can do.
Now, this robot can jump and move fast and backflip and speak, and then now is like a toy. But after that, we develop lots of our platform. Think about it like the movie Terminator.
Okay.
It's a physical AI. We simulate lots of robots, and then insert the training data. And this robot is like a human, like a dog. It's a real dog. It's fantastic.
So you guys are creating the brain.
Yes.
You're making the brain of the robot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now you said to prove its capabilities, it's more like a toy right now, but as it moves into the future, it's going to simulate different kind of behaviors and tasks and be a companion to humans as well. You said it can do a backflip. It can backflip. Yeah. It can jump. Yeah. It can run.
Yes, you can run because it's smooth, but it's a rough environment, and then they detect something, and then they can run very fast with top environment.
Okay. So what is this, beyond being a potential companion, beyond being able to copy a dog's personality or act like a dog, not just copy, but act like a dog after it analyzes all the data, how can this robot help us and what can it do? Does it work on job sites? What areas does this robot function?
Yes, now its main problem is that young generation is getting smaller and smaller.
Yes.
And then sometimes workers it's very tough environment, very dangerous environment.
Yeah, right.
So we can send this robot to the dangerous place and then replace the human. And another one is that people make some mistake. It's like human error. Yeah. But this robot is 24-hour move around and without error.
Right.
So we should live together with the robot.
I like that. You mentioned, we laughed about it, you mentioned Terminator before, but it's not that these robots are going to take over humanity or replace us as a whole. It's about robots and humanity working together. So I'm on a job site, I've been working all day, I'm tired, and my boss tells me I have to go do something dangerous. That's how people get hurt. It can lead to deaths. That's where robots come in. This can operate 24/7.
That's a good point.
It doesn't get tired as long as you charge its battery, right?
Yeah.
And it can perform tasks repetitively and safely without error.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Do you export? So you're doing the brain of it. Do you export your brain at all, or do you just develop your product for Korea? Tell me about the international market.
Our export this robot and our robot to Thailand and Mexico. This robot is so many demand from globally. So many demand.
So basically, globally, like there's other countries that manufacture robots, like China, for example, or America, but you are exporting the brain of the robot, correct? So physical AI. So right now, the robot's not moving. You can control it manually, right?
Yeah.
What if I wanted this robot to act like a dog? Do you press a button and the AI goes in? How does it work?
Yes, we test. So now is not moving and thinking.
Yeah.
But it's like if you playing game and then last of is AI understand is what should do
Right.
and understand this game, is this environment, and then we can test a lot, and then robot can get our AI get some data, and then this data is very like this data, we insert this data to this robot, and the robot can understand this environment, and then it's walking or running, and then it's we can make it more smarter.
Okay, so it's always becoming, the more data, the smarter it becomes. And as you said, it's going to act on its own, move on its own.
Yeah.
How did you get your company started? There are so many robotics companies, but you're focusing on a very specific part of the market. How did Mobilio come about?
Well, almost 10 years ago, I started my business with the autonomous vehicle.
Okay.
At the time, but autonomous vehicle is very big size company.
Sure.
And then can do that. So I would change the into robot industry. Robot is very, it is make me happy and fun, and it's very. And then I can develop world to make better.
Yeah, make the world a better place.
Make the world a better place.
And you
right.
seem so happy about talking about your robot. You said it's exciting, it's fun, it's new technology. You're going to make the world a better place. Talking a little bit about future plans. I heard you won an innovation award at CES. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So your future plans, are you going to go to CES in 2026?
Yeah. Of course.
So I'll see you in CES. So I get to go to CES and interview you. Yeah. Tell me a little bit, very shortly, what are some future plans for Mobilio as a company?
Yeah, it's like this robot. So you and I is bring this robot outside, inside. It's like a real dog. It's a computer. At the first time, a computer is very hard. Is nobody. Didn't have it, but in your future, you want to buy this robot is cheap with a cheap price, and then you can bring this robot and then order to do something, and then in your future is old person and then you, and then lifestyle will be changed so fast.
So just like the computer, this is going to become part of humanity's lifestyle.
Yes, you're right.
We're here at Pangyo Techno Valley. What is the benefit of being here? What do you like about being in this area?
Pangyo is like a Silicon Valley. Lot of startup company is very with the technology. So many startup company inside it, and then there is a lot of network and then a lot of business chance. So it's a center of our country, and then lots of people, resource, and then company, and then is VCAC is better. It's kind of a Silicon Valley.
Absolutely. Everything in one place to help startups get off the ground, help companies building future technology to export as well. I love being here, and I love working here as well, and meeting people like you who are doing amazing things, like creating brains for robots like LITE 3. Is there anything else you'd like to add to our interview today?
So I hope robot is what is that? combination of technology. There is hardware
Yep.
and software, telecommunication, and battery, and then AI, lots of technology. It's kind of a car. It's like a car.
Sure.
So it is a great time to export to our product to globally. So yeah. So I want to create the of a robot. I want to what is that the center of a robot in Korea or globally.
Wonderful. There's so much great technology. There's so many great companies coming out of Korea. The world's looking at Korea right now. You want to be one of the major players in the robotics sphere industry and bring your technology worldwide.
Yes. See, I want, as I said at the first time, I want to make it smarter. And then the center of AI center in, I want to make our Korea the center of AI. Understand?
Yeah, absolutely. I understand. The center of AI, and in your case, the center of AI for robotics.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jin Sik, for the interview today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Jay here at Pangyo Techno Valley for an interview with Mobilio. Check them out and their robots. They're making brains for robots that are going to make them companions for our future, help work alongside with humanity, much like they could be our pets, or they can help with inspections and reducing risk on job sites, just as a few examples. Check them out and we'll see them at CES.